The following segment is sponsored by Ottalaus Salon. We are talking about investing today. Don't worry, not the stock market. We are talking about investing in your hair, and Taylor is here to tell us all about how to take the best care of hair extensions. Welcome, Taylor. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's so great to be here.
We are so glad to have you. Now, I wore extensions for years, and I loved them because your hair always looked flawless. So tell us about the benefits of extensions.
So a great benefit, the most well-known ones are it's going to add thickness to your hair, and it's just going to give you a little bit of length if you need that as well.
Mermaid hair.
Yes, mermaid hair is to die for.
So let's talk about a little bit what you brought, because you guys do full installs of hair extensions.
We do full installs. These are our wefts, so you can, depending on your hair, we will put a certain amount of wefts in your hair, and then it's sewn into your hair, and it lasts usually 6 weeks, and then you need to move up.
Right, because your hair is growing so fast. Because that's a big thing. Is I was always worried about damage happening to my actual hair, but this is not going to do damage.
Nope, they're going to help. So if they're done correctly, they should help your hair grow. It's going to give you a little bit more longevity with your styling too, which is awesome, and then it kind of helps soak up your natural oils, so less washing, which means less damage. And
everybody loves less washing. Let's talk about taking care of this, because it is an investment. You want to have good quality hair, and you want it to last. So what can we do?
With our new installs, we give you a certain kit. Those are super important. If you're using good products, you're going to make your hair last longer. So we give you a travel size shampoo, conditioner, and a dry texture spray.
Okay, and these products are amazing. I've actually tried these before.
Amazing. Orbe is one of my favorite lines. So yeah, if you want to try that, you're more than welcome to. It's going to give you all the body.
You don't have to tell me twice. Let's see. How do I get this going here? Oh, there it is.
Yes,
I had to pop it.
The life.
Look at that. And you just get instant texture.
Instant texture. The next thing is it's heat activated. So as your day goes on, if you feel like it's going to fall, you just give yourself a little grit, and it re-amps, which is awesome.
And this is huge. So you give this free with all of your new installs.
So the new install comes with products, and then we give you a Rock and Rattle brush, which is my favorite brush of all time. It has plastic and boar bristles, so it's great for the hair without damaging while you're combing through it. Okay, and your brushing is huge when it comes to extensions. Yes.
Because you do have more hair, which means more tangles, right?
Exactly, yes.
I'm just over here, just grooming over here. So let's talk a little bit about Ottalaus Salon. What makes you guys the best in town?
Well, we have won Best of State for the past 5 years in a row. Our owner, Anne-Marie, is amazing. She knows exactly what she's doing, and she just cares about the staff, which I think is super important in any industry.
Well, you can't argue with awards. Award-winning right here. So if somebody's interested in getting hair extensions and they've never gotten them before, why should they not be nervous about it?
I think, honestly, I don't think there's any reason to be nervous. If you go to the correct person and you come in for a consultation, we can tell you exactly what you need. And yeah, it will just be great. It's going to help your hair grow, and you'll feel like a mermaid.
Like a mermaid, and you're going to get free stuff. So where can we go for more information?
You can go to ottalaus.com, or you can come into any of our 3 locations.
Okay, thank you, Taylor, and thanks for bringing the goodies. I think I need just a little more lift, right?
Yes,
you can never have too big of hair. I strongly live by that. Thanks for being here, Taylor.
Of course, thank you for having me.